What's up, YouTube? This is your boy CJ Sigler aka Corey Johnson, and I'm back with another video because I upload a crap ton of videos today. As you guys can see, I'm outside. It's been a while since I've done an outside video, and this video is going to be, last time I filmed a video outside, it was about a tornado watch. Which, as you may know, a tornado watch means conditions are right for tornadoes. You can hear the news going on right now, talking about severe storms. Credit goes to ABC News. Tomorrow's threat will be just as threatening. David, you'll be watching it through the night for us, Rob. Thank you. So yeah. Next to the possible break tonight in the string of Hansford TX is under a tornado warning. Until 6:30 p.m. right now. As you guys may know. So I live in Donnelly County. Hansford, I don't know if it's close or far, but right now we got clouds, but there's a warning that's about to pop up on the screen. Storm Surge 7, a severe thunderstorm warning is active for the following counties: Carson, Hutchinson, and Potter. Potter is close by. And also Armstrong, Hansford, Randall, some of those counties are close by. Hansford is not only under a tornado warning, they are under a severe thunderstorm warning as well. Unfortunately for them. So yeah. I'm hoping this doesn't become a warning, and if it does, I will go ahead and film a video then too. Like I said, all we have right now is clouds where I'm at, but that could change in the snap of a finger. And usually when we get a tornado watch, it becomes a warning, and it's not really that good, in my opinion, because, it happens a lot. Anyways, guys, that's the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and click tap on the notification bell to learn some bits on Sky 6 video. Peace! The homies and homegirls out there that watch the YouTube video.